Okay, why a harvest for heads? Really simple terms, it brings together so many elements that are crucial to an understanding of the beginnings of the Wars of the Roses. Um, there'd been a rebellion. You need to know why there was a rebellion. It shows that there's lots and lots of discontent. The way that the rebellion's dealt with shows you what the system of law and order was at the time. It shows you what the system of government was. It shows you how the baronial land holdings should affect the governance of different regions, shows you the importance of the southeast of England in particular and its relationship with France, shows you that people wanted change, and it shows you why they wanted change. More crucially, for the causes of the Wars of the Roses, it shows you who they're asking to be involved in those changes. And that's a really big, strong point, because that affects the highest levels of government. It's the people asking for a more traditional role than had previously been in place. The following clips will go through each of those particular bits, bit by bit. So that this is just a brief overview. Harvest of Heads shows system of government at the time, so you get to see how it works. It gives hints as to how feudalism was working at the time, which is very complex and is a separate part of the course. It goes through the different kinds of discontent that the commons had, that the ordinary people had. That can be linked in with some of the discontent that some nobles had. It shows what the system of justice was, how harsh it was at the time. It gives you the context there, so when you see other things happening during the course of the wars, it doesn't come as a big surprise, because it was kind of the norm then. And it goes through those calls for change and the way that it was responded to.